Hi there. In this video, I just want to introduce you to a new feature in Sheets called Smart Fill. And it's pretty basic. You can see I've got a list of first and last names here, and I want to break those out into a first name column and a last name column. Now, there are more than one way to get that done, but I can just start typing and entering those names. And as I get a little bit down the line, usually at the third entry, when I start to type, it says, I see a pattern here. I'll fill that in for you. Okay, that's great. Thank you. And then let me come over here and put in the last name. It's like, well, I've got a pattern here too. I'll take care of that for you. And it does it. It's doing the work for me, and I like that. Let's say I didn't have this column over here. Well, let's just cut that column out of there. Whoop. Let's get rid of it. And you'll see I can't really do that. And why? Well, let me show you. These names are not just copying, it's using a formula. It's looking here, finding the first word and putting it here, finding the second word and putting it here. So you'll see it's working off of a formula. So if I delete this information here, I keep part of that formula goes away. So if you've got names in one column and you need to split them out, that's great. You just have to keep those columns. Now you can hide this column if you don't need to see it, and that'll still work just fine. Now, maybe I've got this and I want to put it back into one column. I can do the same thing. The Smart Fill will once again help me. And again, after I get 3 done, it usually picks up the pattern and says, I see what you're doing here. We'll do the rest of the work for you. Again, you can't delete these or this will go away. That's the Smart Fill feature in Google Sheets.